nagbabalik na naman ang inyong kusinerang hechicera at today gagawa naman tayo ng vermicelli noodle salad. So, ito yung tinatawag na Vietnamese salad. And of course, lalagyan ko ito ng sarili kong twist. Ang sarap lang kainin ito, especially pagka mainit ang panahon and kung gusto nyo lang ng light snack or light dinner. So, of course, as usual, ilalagay natin lahat ng ingredients sa description and somewhere in the video. So, umpisa na natin?
Alright, so once the vermicelli noodle is cooked, just strain it and then wash it with cold water so it doesn't continuously cook and get soggy. Sauce from earlier, I just combined them all and I will put it gradually and taste it and see how I go from there.
O, diba? Ang dali lang gawin and super sarap talaga nito. Kung meron kayong parsley or coriander sa bahay, pwede nyo ring lagyan. Mag-a-add siya ng freshness dun sa ating salad. So, kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please consider subscribing. And of course, please click the notification bell para ma-update kayo every time mag-upload ako ng bagong video. So, again, salamat and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!